Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to generate financial reports in Zoho Books. This is essential for tracking your business's financial health and making informed decisions based on real-time data. First, open a web browser and navigate to zoho.com/books. Once you're on the page, log in to your Zoho Books account using your credentials. Make sure you're using the correct login details associated with your business account, as this ensures you have access to all your financial data. After logging in, you'll be taken to your Zoho Books dashboard. Look to the left sidebar and click on the Reports tab. This is where Zoho Books consolidates all your financial reporting tools, giving you access to various report types that help you analyze your business performance. Now you'll see a list of available financial reports. Select the type of report you want to generate. Common options include profit and loss, balance sheet, or cash flow. For this tutorial, we'll focus on the cash flow statement, which shows how money moves in and out of your business over a specific period. Next, you need to define the date range for your report. Zoho Books offers preset options like this month or last quarter, or you can enter specific custom dates to match your exact reporting needs. This flexibility allows you to analyze any time period that's relevant to your business. If you want more detailed insights, apply filters to customize your report further. You can filter by category, department, or tags, depending on how you've organized your financial data in Zoho Books. These filters help you drill down into specific aspects of your cash flow. Once you've set your date range and filters, click the Run Report button. This generates the report based on your specifications and displays it on your screen. Take a moment to review the displayed report carefully, checking for accuracy and looking for insights into your financial data. This is where you'll spot trends, identify problem areas, or confirm that your business is performing as expected. If you need to save or share the report, click Export at the top right of the screen. This allows you to download the report in various formats, including PDF, Excel, or CSV, making it easy to share with your accountant, business partners, or keep for your records. Finally, if you need a physical copy, click Print to generate a hard copy of the report. This is useful for meetings or filing purposes. And that's it. You've successfully generated a financial report in Zoho Books. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.